Hello and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Khasi National Union to host 3rd edition of Nathmei Festival in Shillong. NEHU launches ITEP for future educators. EFC and MDMA host multi-stakeholder program for NGOs in Mainland. And midterm elections scheduled for Gambegre constituency. And now the news in detail. The Khasi National Union KNU will hold the 3rd edition of the Nathmei Festival on October 26 to 27 at Madan Waking Jayao, Shillong, starting at 3 p.m. Hamar Singh El Kharmar, Secretary Culture Senkme, emphasized the festival's goal of promoting Khasi culture. Highlights include a traditional costume competition, Kalukimai Bad Unai Khatsao Sinya, and performances of traditional music by local skilled groups. The event coincides with the 125th anniversary of the Senkhasi, a cultural preservation group founded in 1899. The festival aims to foster community spirit and showcase the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi people.
Sports ne kiruai kisio dan dari yang mengapai kumgalukimai berunai kasau ni hal tu ni promote ya design tinggi dijungi pasti mulai lalu designer kadang kau lagi kerang bagi ya hagi designer tanpa pilih design kasih pada.
Jangan itu. Kipun di jengmentoi jeng seksual nilai ba kila nangai mensi meki kenhun kiba seng man bini larti ti kaniru kala sakhyang omta nangni jela jungi shabaru takdal ni kwa ban in khat iki kampun iki kenhun na baru na kamtam na northeast ban wan chimenta kawai jong nathmei da we can translate on from the origin, from the roots. The manway way jang rio idan kathmei la jang tingi kwa man I'm skim lang ki para riulo ki way everyone in India the ngaklangin nang penyai kani ti ka jing seiso long ka positive energy kani ka roi ka jing ha office no sarong pa ki kwa pen bha shu ya la jang ka thmei kirti distur di kani nasu kani kajing wanra kajing snu sarong ka automatically ka manifest sebagai positive energy ka panidan kamar yang sana.
Ketika ini ba ani kita dulu sini kiri ruspa mengintir dan ada bagi bakara yang perkara kemudian kita isi ruspa persen kepisah kita. Jadi Abu yang ruspa untuk culture, kayak culture orang. Institut bakal ruspa culture. Ni kamtam hasor. Mereka hasor ni itu terbawaking pakai syam kerem. Dari nanon kita apa yang pun jadi kisah mulai jadi kom ni don. Kemungkinan kita jadi kisah di bangin tukam UI, ni tukam tempat dan kata kita ke basic idea juga bangin create dari platform.
On October 15, 2024, the Northeastern Hill University NEHU inaugurated the Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP aimed at developing skilled and competent teachers. Minister of Agriculture by Alexander Lalu Hek launched the program, which includes BA B.Ed and BSc B.Ed degrees set to commence in the 2024-25 academic year. Ba Hek praised NEHU's initiative, highlighting its alignment with the National Education Policy 2020. He emphasized that the program not only seeks to produce knowledgeable educators, but also to cultivate responsible citizens. The ITEP will span 4 years, allowing students to major in subjects like language, social sciences, sciences, and mathematics alongside education. Ba Hek underlined the respect accorded to the teaching profession, stressing the importance of good character and manners, stating that knowledge without integrity is of little value. This initiative marks a significant step towards enhancing teacher training in the region.
Respected Ban Sizzler, who's a good friend of mine also, and also in his speech, he has mentioned about the student can be exempt, also can be rejoined. I know I did not be part of that encouragement. So thanks to all the faculties and particularly to our young students, boys and girls, are coming from different part of the northeastern state to get this ITEDS program or ITEDS what do you call this ITED course to be studied here in NEHU, and also especially to our parents. The parents, they are coming from the different walk of life. They are really slugging and also working very hard to ensure to meet the ends of yours. They never compromise at any time of any moment to ensure that they have fulfilled the requirements of their children, of the students who are studying here today. So this 4 years course, I really appreciate the Government of India, Ministry of Education, for introducing this beautiful course, which are going to produce so many teachers in the whole country. I was told that in the whole country, 64 institutions have already granted this permissions, and also one of them is NEHU. I'm really happy to our Bain Sisler for taking all the initiative throughout your work hard on your initiative will not be able to get this course here in this NEHU. So once again, I'd like to thank the respected Bain Sisler. So in learning, there's no end of learning. I always mention this, learning is perpetual. Doesn't mean that you have already learned one course today, one subject today, the learning is ends. But it's always perpetual. There's no end of learning. You have to keep learning and always learn. You have to keep learning all the time. So we are today very happy with this inaugural functions of this new course here in NEHU for the 4 years integrated teacher education program, ITEDS. All are the very fortunate students who are getting selected and admissions. And also I'm very happy to know that this selections and this examination is not only in the northeastern states, but it is from the whole country you have been selected. Congratulations for that. But I only want to tell to our students who are already selected and also already admitted for this course. If even the national policy has given some lenient time to you to be exempt and also to rejoin again, but don't take this opportunity and never in your life. 4 years we have to concentrate in your studies. 4 years. Not even a day you will be miss your studies. We want this course. The whole country with this course, I'm telling you, we are going to produce not only the good teachers for our country, but a very good citizens of our country. So the teachers are very highly respected. The teaching job is a very noble job. We wish you also tomorrow, when you will be growing up, you will finish your course from here, you will be teaching for other students. The importance in your life is the attitudes. The attitudes is very important. We want to see you, all of you are with the positive attitudes. You know, when you have the positive attitude, you don't understand where it will take you. It will take you to, you don't understand where it will take you. You will determine your attitudes. Your attitudes will determine your attitudes. Where you will reach, we don't know. But you will determine your attitudes. But therefore, I always stress this. Always remind to our students, young students, boys and girls, and everyone, the important, we have so many things now, we are going to learn the skill here, the teaching skill here. But the important skill in your life is the attitudes. It's called the universal skill. It's a universal skill. The attitudes is very important. Why I'm saying this, the attitude is because we produce a good human being, but not only a good human being, also a big human in our life. So that's why your attitudes is very, very important. It's a very vital. So therefore, whatever maybe you are going to get your certification, you qualify, you become scholar, you become doctorate, you become anybody. But if your attitude is not acceptable, then all your qualifications, your certificate is becoming vain. So that's why I'm telling you, when you have a very good attitude, you don't know where it will be determined.
On 15th October 2024, the Enterprise Facilitation Center EFC collaborated with the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA to conduct a multi-stakeholder platform program for NGOs at Tirat Singh Memorial Hall, Pendeng Umyong, Mairang. The event drew participants from self-help groups, SHGs, village organizations, VOs, and producer groups, PGs, in the Mairang and Mauthat Raishan CNRD block. The program aimed to provide comprehensive information about various government schemes related to fisheries, agriculture, and veterinary services. Notable attendees include J.L. Nonglait, Fisheries Officer of Eastern West Khasi Hills, and Ba El Marthong from the Agriculture Department, alongside representatives from the Veterinary Department and other state agencies. This initiative seeks to empower local organizations with knowledge and resources to effectively access government support, fostering sustainable development and improving livelihoods in the region. Participants expressed gratitude for the insights gained during the session.
Risk management, Risk management menjadi tangga skim pelak asuransi dijadi di senyap. Hal skim penpelut dan pasal perhatikan jangan menjadi senyap jompi asuransi company sahaja kau nampi pasal perhatikan. Jumpa dengan skim menunjuk beliau di senyap. Ban pelajar judul lajak nong senyap di senyap jompi. Mulai sawah perhatikan. Mutlayo berarti dengan bisnya kuat. Dia yang baru kantaman yang nom traction menggerak gunakan transit bapnile yang ini. Kemudian dunia ini berpihak demi semua office yang bertanding pada problem. Air tertengah di kan list tinggi di sini yang lebih berbeda. Kertas di sini lebih lawan untuk kertas urbanization.
Itu bising yang bertanya. Kasih pun, ini yang bertanya. siteng moment siteng di ngabang ne ba kadiri ka gini ka ba ibu ini mare apa tay na naman tinggi juga na ba yun saya situ yung naman ito apa bu ini mare kamu na piwanhan ng ka dengan ibu aku mare ng teng apa pimpan kali ban hak saya nang iban kiri tak kulturisme lalu beri hai bulan ini ikan sana untuk sabak khas tu bu ini mare tang jadi orang orang ba sebagai generasi kisah itu di yang kemudian yang pusat sini akan dilakukan di tempat poin. Kenapa kemudian nggak poin itu di stok tu atau malam ini kasar aslinya. Yang tak boleh apa untuk buat yang ini nggak tahan mesti kepung tidak sini kan ini pun itu dia orang itu sukses berharap tak itu kebat kepentuan kelangkaan bahan mereka belanja dari tempat itu jadi selesai mah dia kita skim kepentuan itu dia ubah jadi kalau kita tahu jadi mana batbar kata orang orang juga orang jompi orang bar ada kini lagi rugi terus saya kena kamu skim apa kemudian membatai itu bakal skim jompa jadi terus siapa mending kembali.
The Election Commission of India announced on October 15, 2024 that polling for the midterm elections in the Gambegre constituency will take place on November 13th, with vote counting set for November 27th. The seat became vacant following Salang A. Sangma's resignation after his victory in the Tura Lok Sabha elections. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari highlighted that approximately 32,000 voters, including government employees in the district, will participate in the election.
Accordingly, 56 Gambegre ST constituency in West Garo Hill district in state of Meghalaya is also going for by-elections. So schedule is as follows. Date of issue of Gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024. We have in Gambegre Assembly constituency total 32,157 voters, out of which 16,333 are male voters and 15,824 are female voters. There are total 51 polling stations in the assembly area, and out of which 31 polling stations are critical, but there are no vulnerable polling stations. Election functionaries are fully prepared for conduct of.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.